We're off to a rip-roaring start. It is 100 degrees out right now here in Julian, California. It's a perfect time to be outside working on the bikes, right? But my Wolfman Enduro pocket came today. And I'm not going to wait to put it on because I am an impatient person. And I want to know that it's going to fit. I had tried the version that was just the next size up. It was way too big. See how this goes. Alright. Oh, it's so tiny. Oh. Oh. Look how tiny this is. Wow. Okay. Well, this should certainly fit, right? Huh. I have no idea how this attaches to the bike. It looks like it loops under the seat. Here. Alright. I'll be back. I have to go RTFM. So, you definitely do have to put it under the seat and under the frame. It's a very strange looking system here, but look at this. I'm still not sure which end is the front. I'll come say hi in a minute, okay? Hi, baby. Hi, baby. I'll be right there. Just a minute. Hello. Hello. What's going on? What's the haps, donkeys? What's going on there? Being donkeys, is that pretty much the extent of it? Well, that's... Alright. You are cuties. Here. Hopefully it won't scare you. And then we'll turn it... Oh shit. Well, this is not going as well as I had hoped. So there isn't any place I can mount the tripod that gives a good angle of this, but tank bag is attached. This is not what I expected. I want to take off the bodywork here and make that look better. I'll make it a pain in the ass, a bigger pain in the ass to take off. It's so tiny. it fits my hand and nothing else. It's got some okay padding and it's on the seat, so it might be a suitable place for the camera if the camera won't fit in there. I have no idea what I'm going to put in here. Snacks, I guess. Yeah, okay. And then it won't come loose on the freeway, smacking me in the face. I don't have my boots on right now, and I don't feel like dicking around with this in flip-flops. It might get in my way. If it does, I can probably yank it up a little bit farther. We shall see.